Another gorgeous day in sunny San Diego. All right, looks like the 4G's kicking in, you guys. What's up, guys? It's Mortgage Mike. Happy Earth Day. Happy Monday. Hope everything's going well. Just wanted to create this quick video, and I see some of you guys tuning in. So if you're tuning in right now, do me a favor, you guys. If you're tuning in, go ahead and give me the thumbs up right now. I truly appreciate your support. What's going on, Mr. Ryan Marty? Good afternoon, sir. We got my boy Ryan Calipit. I'm sure he's watching from Mira Mesa. What's going on, my friend? Good afternoon. It's another gorgeous day. It's Earth Day, guys. It is the day right after Easter, and I hope you and your family had a outstanding weekend. Hope you had the opportunity to spend time with your loved ones and obviously take advantage of the weekend. So back at work today, and last couple of days, this has been an amazing topic. This is one of my favorite mortgage scenarios, and it's called gift of equity, you guys. That's right, gift of equity. You're probably wondering, what does that all mean? What is a gift of equity, Mike? Well, in this Facebook Live video, I'm going to go ahead and give you guys maybe just 5 simple bullet points on what a gift of equity is. I'm currently in escrow right now with one of my referral partners, and we have an amazing transaction. It's between a younger brother and an older brother. And the older brother is in escrow today, and he is looking to finance the home that he's been living in there with his family for the past 5 years. So he's been paying rent and helping his younger brother pay down his mortgage. So financially, he's ready to go and purchase the house under his name, including his wife, and take full advantage of the equity that's currently in that home right now. So gift of equity. Well, number one, you have to make sure that it's coming from a family member. So that means it could be coming from parents, right? It could be coming from a brother, a sibling, sister. So those are things that are associated with a gift of equity. So tip number one, why I love this program, you guys. So if you're currently living in a family member's home and the seller is ready to sell the property to you, I think that's an amazing advantage, because number one, you already know the property, right? You really fall in love with the property, so you know the ins and outs of that home already. And if there's equity in that house, there's an opportunity for the seller to help you with a down payment. So let me read this to you real quick. So benefits to a buyer. Coming up on days, the San Diego could be very daunting. Would you agree? Even if it's 3.5% down. With a FHA or conventional home loan, the equity that has been built into the property can be used towards the down payment of the purchase, along with closing costs. Now, if the sellers are open to putting more than the minimum down payment of 3.5% on an FHA or 5% on a conventional loan, they can actually take advantage of putting 20% down. That's an advantage to you as the buyer, so you don't have to pay private mortgage insurance, which we all know as PMI, right? So if they're in a position financially and they have enough equity and the balance is definitely lower than the appraised value, again, they'll have the opportunity to help you with the down payment. So keep that in mind. Number two, the advantage to sellers, right? So for sellers, it's always a very sensitive topic. There's a connection when you're trying to sell your house, but if you can sell the property to your loved ones, a family member, it just makes the process a lot simpler, right? Because they already know the house, they know they've taken good care of the property, they've helped pay down the mortgage for you, and it just helps eliminate putting the property on the market. Now, keep in mind too, as a seller, that when you're doing this transaction, that there's tons of paperwork involved, right? It takes a team. Not only will you need to get a pre-approval, your buyers need to get pre-approved through a lender like myself. Title will need to be open, escrow needs to be open, and if you've ever looked at an RPA, which is called a residential purchase agreement, there's more than 15 pages related to a purchase agreement. So my recommendation, and if you're a realtor, I'm sure you can vouch for me, a normal consumer wouldn't be able to understand the ins and outs of a purchase agreement. There's a lot of legal information on there that may not be, obviously easy for you to understand. So it's important to get in contact with a local real estate agent professional that can walk you through the binding contract, right, between both parties, the sellers and the buyers, and also hiring title and the escrow company to help facilitate the transfer of money. So that's another tip that I want to provide you guys. Now, if you don't have a local realtor or don't know who to go to, definitely reach out to me. I'll work with some A++ amazing local real estate agents here in San Diego that can help facilitate putting together this contract for you guys and just making that process very simple. And another cool benefit about the gift equity program is that it just keeps everything simpler. You don't have to put the house on the market. That's the big thing, you guys. And it's an opportunity to keep the property that you may have already owned for maybe 15, 20, who knows, maybe 30 years, and keep that piece of real estate, that legacy that you've worked hard for, and keeping it in the family. To me, that's a plus. You know, real estate, to me, as a lender, it's building a legacy for your family, something that you can pass on from generation to generation. So if you could keep it in the family, why not, right? Now, you may also have some questions regarding taxes, so you definitely want to make sure that you reach out to a tax advisor before putting this together or getting started. I'm not a tax advisor, so I'm not going to put any tax information here, but you guys will definitely be responsible for obviously the tax implications and any documentation required when you file your taxes the following year. So that's just my 2 cents on the Gift of Equity program. Again, it's a very popular program. Not too many people know about it. But if you're a buyer and you're willing to purchase your mom and dad's property or brother and sister, the first thing you want to do is reach out to a loan officer so he or she can help you get started with getting a pre-approval, whether it's FHA, VA, conventional. Reach out to your loan officer. If you don't have one, reach out to me. I'd love to help you out. So that's all I have for today, guys. I hope you guys enjoy watching this video. That's my mortgage tip for the day or for the week. Enjoy this gorgeous day we're having in sunny San Diego. Let me give you guys a quick tour of what's going on behind me. It's not an open house, just my backyard here at the office. So just out here at UTC enjoying the patio. Thanks you guys for watching this video. If you need anything when it comes to home loans or real estate related, I'm always here to support you guys and just help make the process simple for you and your loved ones and your family members. So enjoy the rest of your afternoon. Thanks for tuning in, and I will be in touch very soon. Take care, guys. Bye-bye. Thanks for watching. Peace and love.